Because, you know, black and white's cool.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah, totally.
We're doing the sneezing challenge because, you know, everybody likes watching me and Christina in pain. Got some tissues.
I just recently got a belly button piercing. Did you?
I'm getting mine in 2 weeks.
Oh, well, I hope you sneeze a lot.
So, yeah, it's going to hurt a little more for Christina.
Because it feels like it's be stabbing me.
So I'm taking this and shoving it up my nose because Catherine taught me this and it really works.
Oh, God.
This is going on Facebook.
It was the cat, it wasn't me. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. I want to change out of my pants.
Go
Do
change.
sweatpants? Do sweatpants today?
The ones that are on the table, go find some. That's why I got these. Alright, well, she's going to change. I don't even think I want to time it. Because, you know, it'll just be funny if we don't. Oh, I really hope Kelsey and Amanda do this. I really want to see it. I just want to know you better know. Oh my god, that's creepy. How many likes did they get on their post? Let's check. Oh, they got 7 already. I hope you guys do it.
What? These yours?
No, but you can wear them and just say they're mine.
Why? They don't even look like they fit anybody else.
Can you see what this says?
I'm gonna sneeze.
Message. Can you read it?
Be safe, happy. I don't know who that's from. I don't know who that's from. I don't know.
Oh, the first one.
The first one?
Yeah.
Just says Happy New Year, I think.
Is that from who?
Happy New Year, good night. Back.
Teresa?
Yeah. Oh my god, that tickles.
What are you guys doing?
The sneezing challenge. It's making me cry. It's making me cry.
Starting without me. Such a loser.
It tickles. Your sneezes are so funny. Achoo! Oh, that wasn't real. Shut up. It's making me cry. I'm not even timing it.
Oh, it didn't hurt. I was not picking my nose.
Alright.
Why are you covering your nose?
Because it's creepy when you're just... It's creepy when I'm just like, shove this up my nose in the camera.
Who cares? YOLO. Oh my god, I didn't just say that.
Stop. Stop.
Ew. I put my lip while doing that.
Ew. It just went on me. Ew. Ew. I felt it on the back of my neck. Ew. I haven't even sneezed yet. I'm crying. Ew, look at you.
Hi, kitty cuckoo, my lump. No, I'm in love with the cat. Bye, kitty cuckoo. Hi. He looks at me like I just murdered. What did you do?
Oh, God. Now I'm literally crying.
How many was that?
You have like 7 already. No, I think you have like 5. No, you have 6, I think. I don't know. Somebody tell us.
One more.
I think that's 7 now. Stop doing that.
I'm not trying to.
What do you think's going on there?
You have to make me stop laughing. Oh my god, if I kept this on normal color, they would see how red my face is from laughing.
Oh my god, I'm crying.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, but you don't look like it. I look like I've been crying for hours.
Come on, who's coming?
That was mine.
You look like the mother from The Walking Dead on the first episode.
Oh, the good.
She's like,
What are you idiots doing?
I don't know how to do it. Do it.
What?
Do the retard dance.
the rerun.
Oh, sorry.
Every time.
And then he does this thing where he's just like, well, bam, and then goes down to a split, but I can't do it right now because I don't have socks on.
Didn't you lose the ability to do split?
No. I got it back.
I can't do it on
Rerun
Gene.
rolls, rerun rolls. What are you guys doing with the dishes?
Sneezing challenge.
Get out of my way.
You get out of my way.
I'm gonna sneeze on you.
Look at my pile of tissues over
Why do
here.
people think this is funny? It's not.
You're laughing more than me.
I know. It's
My
funny.
voice just
It's
cracked.
funny because you're like, what you... You sound like Kyle.
What if someone shows him this? Oh!
Ow. Good job. Somebody punch you in the belly button ring.
No! That hurt.
Weirdos.
I've heard that
You
before.
got a Snapchat from Ranger60.
That's Trevor. There's tissue in my mouth.
Oh my god.
I can't.
You look like a total retard. Oh my god, my nose is pink. I'm like Rudolph, but black.
He was brown.
Well, Rudolph is
The red-nosed reindeer? You have a pink nose, not a red one.
So I'm Christina the pink nose person. I'm funny. Alright, hold on. Go in my nose. I don't know who you think you are. Ow. I'm punching my brain. Do I have a test tomorrow? No, I mean Wednesday. Oh.
What are you guys doing?
Say hello. You're lucky you don't have a Facebook.
You don't have a Facebook?
Look at that rerun. That's the rerun. Go like this.
Oh, look at
Double
this
flip
pile
up.
of tissues.
Madison,
I'm allergic to
you're in
you.
trouble. Madison,
All right, I'm done. Goodbye.